So they're to be reacted to the Angry Birds linking video. It's funny because there's a pig and I like pigs. My favorite Angry Birds game is Angry Birds in Afghanistan. That's my favorite one. I don't like the bad piggies though.
This is a replica of Andy's.
I love the Angry Birds movie. Terrence is nuts. Personally, I'd put Terrence higher because he is big and red, and I love red. He's red. Just like the tiny one. Yeah, just red, yeah. And he has a cousin Tony's blue. Yeah, I like Tony. He's blue. Woody. You'll be my new Woody. Anyways, I really think Terrence is too low, but whatever. You know, Terrence loves terrorism. That's why his name is Terrence, because he likes terrorism. It's Smash. I love that beak. It's a nice beak. It's a good beak. The Angry Birds movie is peak fiction. Dado Smash is my favorite. Shut up! Well, I really like to,
Apple. Apple. Hey, Apple. 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 Hey, Apple. 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 Hey, Apple.
Dude, check the news. It doesn't matter what channel.
White boy who busts it down sexual style is not necessarily considered goated with the sauce.
That's what I've been saying, Tiger. It's crazy to me that they don't think he's goated with the sauce. You can see him on the yard right there, actually. He's buzzing it down sexual style, and they want to say he's not goated with the sauce. It's really disrespectful.
Favorite character in Angry Birds.
it was actually my uncle that made that video. My uncle made that video yesterday.
Viewing all the previous episodes.
Yeah, I made the video because maybe the uncle made it, and I'm so smart, and I love Angry Bird. My favorite character, Obama Bird, must be on this list, or else I'm going to put my head in the freezer and die. It's really taking it out of me to talk right now. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. No, Blue Angry Birds are my least favorite. They should have been number 0. No, that would be good. They should be 11 or 12 or something. You suck at Angry Birds! You suck!
This is gonna be great, Charlie. I love helping kids. I love kids, Charlie. I love kids.
Fix your iPad. You need to fix your iPad. It's broken. Your iPad is broken. I love Piggy McCool. Piggy McCool is the best character. It would be so cool if Elmer Fudd and Dina and Orange had kids. Elmer Fudd is my dad. Elmer Fudd is my dad. Chicken Shoot for the Wii is a terrible game. You should kill your son. Yeah, kill your son. The Angry Minecraft movie is bad movie. The second one is really good because it has Jared Fogle. See? That's Jared Fogle right there. You saw him? I hate Star Wars.
Number 2 is
Oh.
classic red. I just
Uh,
okay, so he might have been not that
and then in Minecraft in real life,
he's the original. Guess what? The Angry Birds
Chris
movie
Pratt
from
plays Mario in the Minecraft movie.
guy who caused the bird and pig
Oh.
race war. He's our hero. I made you a little actual lunch bag. Look, it's full of pure number 1. Let's do a stinkiest pigs.
I think that my recording is breaking a bit. I don't know what's happening. Chef Pug. Someone tell Knox that Jaden Animation doesn't like him. They should reboot Secret Agent. Oh, wait, number one. Okay, who's it gonna be?
The third
It should have been Obama!